Lemongrass for healthy skin and nails. What is lemongrass? Lemongrass is a grassy tropical plant that is used in cooking and herbal medicines. Lemongrass oil has a strong citrus aroma and is extracted from the leaves and stalks of the lemongrass plant. It's typically found in soaps and other personal care items. In fact, lemongrass essential oil is a popular aromatherapy tool for relieving tension, anxiety, and depression. Watch this video till the end to find out more about using lemongrass oil to help improve your well-being. What are the uses of lemongrass oil? 1. Treats nails fungus. Lemongrass oil contains chemicals that have antifungal, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and insecticidal qualities, which can help treat nail fungus. Dilute the oil first with a carrier oil such as olive or grapeseed oil. Fill a clean bottle with 1 ounce of carrier oil and 6 drops lemongrass oil. Close the cover and thoroughly shake. Twice a day, massage this oil into the infected nail. The fungus will turn black or brown within a few days, indicating that it is drying. Healthy nail growth should soon follow. 2. Minimizes oily skin. Excess oil on the skin can attract dust and pollutants, resulting in pimples and acne. Lemongrass oil can help reduce oily skin by reducing oiliness and controlling shine. It works as a natural astringent to help control oil production. In addition, lemongrass oil helps to minimize pores and tighten the skin. A steam facial packed with lemongrass essential oil clarifies the face, avoiding acne flare-ups and eliminating greasiness. 3. Eliminates dandruff. Dandruff is a common scalp irritation. A flake-free scalp and well-nourished hair follicles are essential for strong and thick hair development. Applying 2 to 3 drops of lemongrass essential oil to your hair oil and rubbing it into your scalp efficiently reduces dandruff-causing germs. A 2015 study showed that lemongrass oil greatly lowers dandruff in a week's time. 4. Promotes healthy hair. Lemongrass oil promotes hair development and helps relieve itching and irritation on the scalp. The oil can also be used to reduce hair shedding, boost hair renewal, and shrink hair follicles to reduce hair fall. Apply a mixture of lemongrass oil and a carrier oil, light coconut or olive oil, for a noticeable reduction in hair loss and an increase in hair growth. 5. Promotes healthy skin. The oil has many skin beneficial qualities. Lemongrass oil is proven to improve overall skin texture by cleansing, detoxifying the skin and pores as well as removing excess oil. The oil's antioxidant capabilities aid in the neutralization of free radicals and the promotion of skin suppleness. Not only that, but it also aids in the prevention of the growth of acne-causing bacteria. Use a lemongrass-based cleanser to wash your face with lukewarm water every day. This will effectively clear pores of dirt and germs, removing acne-causing bacteria, blemishes, and dark patches from the skin. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more healthy stuff.